Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make sticker animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Let's select the stars, layers, and right mouse, precoms, add name stars. Click OK. Then hide composition. Then let's create new null object. Right mouse, new and null object. And now hold Ctrl double click palm behind icon for move anchor point center. Click selection tool. And let's select this message back, paper, and message main. Let's pair onto this null and select this line 1 and 2. Pair onto this paper and select this modes, eyes, parent, message main. Okay, select this null. Let's see. Okay, select this v1 parent to this v background. Select this v background, parent, null object, and select this check parent to this check back. Select this check background, parent, null object. Let's select this null. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this null. Let's move to down. And let's press P, make new position keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. And let's move to down. Let's select these 2 keyframes. Move to up. Okay, let's see. Nice. And go to 5 keyframes. Move to up like this. Go to 5 keyframes again. Select this first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And let's go to here. Press N for select work area. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes. Make easies. And go to graph editor. Select this graph. Let's make graph like this. And select these graphs. Okay, that's good. Back to keyframes and go to last keyframe and go to 3 keyframe. 1 to 3. Let's move to up. Go to 3 keyframe again. 1 to 3. Move to down. Let's see. Okay, select last keyframes. Hold Alt, move to right for bonus effect. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this paper and let's press P. And in this time, make new position keyframe. Go to here. Let's move to up. Go to last keyframe. Select first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes. Make easies. Go to graph editor. Select this graph. Let's make graph like a ball. Like this. Let's see again. Okay, let's select keyframes, move to right. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this V background and go to here. Let's press P, make new position keyframe and go to here. Let's move to up and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and select keyframes, make easies. Go to graph editor. Let's make graph like a ball, like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to center. Select this keyframe and move to up. Nice. Let's select keyframes. Move to right. Okay, that's good. So select this check background. Go to here. Press P, make new position keyframe and go to here. Let's move to up and go to last keyframe. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and make keyframes easy and make graph like this. Okay, let's select keyframes. Move to right. Let's move to left. Okay, that's good. So select these modes and let's press P, go to here, make new position keyframe and go to center. Let's move to up and go to last keyframe. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, make keyframes ease. Okay, and select these eyes, press S, click this icon, make new scale keyframe, go to here, change scale like this, and go to last keyframe, change 100. Select keyframes, make ease. Okay, that's good. So let's open stars composition, select layers, go to first second, and press T, change opacity, make opacity keyframe, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 100, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change 0. And let's make keyframes ease, and let's hold Alt, click here, open expression and click play button, property and loop out duration. Okay, let's see. Nice. Let's make someone for other stars. Okay, nice. For done expression, click this empty area and let's make random stars like this. Let's see. Okay, let's make random like this. Okay, let's close stars composition and let's enable here and pair onto this null object. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's select this V1 and select this palm behind icon, move to here, click selection tool and select this null, press U for C keyframes and select this V1 and in this time press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here, change rotation like this and go to last keyframe, change +7 and go to here, change -4, go to here, change 0, select keyframes, make easy, let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's close keyframe, select this check background, let's select palm behind, move to anchor point here, click selection tool and go to here, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to center, change rotation like this and go to here, change -12, go to here, change 6 and go to here, change -3 and finally 0. Select keyframes and make ease. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.